In this video I will explain how to sort your chart data in Empower Charts. First I will show you the data structure of this exemplary chart. In the mini Excel of the chart we see a header row with years and a column with different countries. Now let's take a look at the data menu in the action bar above the selected chart. In the data menu you can define how your series should be ordered. A series includes all data points that should be displayed in the chart in one color. In this case, the series should be arranged by rows, because the individual series should represent the different countries. If I change this to by columns, you will see that the series are now the years, each displayed in one color. The countries are now the categories on the category axis. Additionally, I can specify in the data menu how the series should be ordered in the chart, whether the order should be as in Excel or reversed. Now the series UK would be here. I can also choose whether my categories should be ordered as in Excel or reversed. Now 2025 would be at the front. With this button I can create an Excel link to an Excel file if desired. If an Excel link is already existing, options for editing this Excel link would appear here. Thank you for watching and goodbye.